Greetings, Livermore High School juniors and seniors, next year's juniors and seniors, class of 2015 and class of 2016. This is just a very brief tutorial to remind you the process of doing registration. You are looking at the Livermore High School homepage, and so if I hover over Parents and Resources and go down to class of 2016, that's going to be for next year's juniors, and click on there, that's going to take us to this page. Now, obviously, if I was thinking of doing this for next year's seniors, you just click on 2015, but the instructions are generally the same. A lot of information here. These worksheets here are all in your packet. Down here, you're going to find a link that's going to take you to this very tutorial in case you need to watch it again. But what we're going to do is go ahead and click here to begin our registration process. Important reminder, your username is your student ID. So enter here. You're going to go ahead and enter your student ID number. Your password is your birthday, and this is really important. If the parts of your month and date of your birthday are 2 digits, for example, if your birthday is December 20th, 1998, you would enter 12201998. However, if you have single digits in your birthday, so for example, if your birthday is, I'm going to wait for the bell, if your birthday is July 5th, 1998, you do not enter 0705. You would only enter 751998. So when you sign on, it's going to take you to this page. Right now, I am opened to the page for next year's juniors. Again, the instructions are generally the same. I'm not going to go through this class by class because pretty much everybody has done this already. Just want to show you a couple different things. You're going to want to make sure you click over here on class registration. To select courses, you click on the pencil. The pencil is going to bring up your possibilities of courses. For example, if I'm a junior and I'm selecting English 11A, I also need to select English 11B. I click OK. Once I've submitted that, you can see this red exclamation point changes to a green check mark. That lets me know that I'm done. I'm going to go ahead and skip way ahead in this process. Okay, I've skipped ahead so you can see that the majority of my classes are selected. Just a couple things I want to point out. If you are not selecting an elective in a certain area, for example, I did select Human Performance in Physical Education Department electives. However, if I am not selecting an elective in Social Science, you need to be sure to go in and actually click on No Choices. I get to this point, it says count your classes. I must have 15 total selections. It does not say that I must have 15 total classes. It says I must have 15 total selections. So 11 of those must be courses. So let's go back and look. The courses are the ones that are worth 5 credits. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't count this no choices because it's not worth any credits. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I've got 14 selections that are courses, but I need to have a total of 15 selections. So in order to do that, I come down to plan my schedule, and I need to select either a no first period or a no fifth period. Okay, that I'm going to go ahead and do no fifth period spring. And what that does is that brings my total selections up to 15. Like I said, even though this one is 0 credits, this no period is what brings me up to 15. So I go in here and I go ahead and say that I'm taking 14 courses. Your alternates are also very important. You cannot select the same alternates as the electives you've chosen. So for example, if up here I've chosen Human Performance as one of my electives, and I've chosen Machine Tool 3 and 4 for my electives, I cannot select those down here as my alternates. Your 5 alternates absolutely have to be different than your electives. Finally, we're just going to click on here to show that we've discussed this with our parents or guardian. We want to make sure that they're involved in the decision. I'm just showing you a demo screen right now, so there is no submit button right down here. However, when you finish this, there will be a submit button. Click on that submit button and you will see a list of the courses you have registered for. Thank you for watching. Feel free to watch us as many times as you need to. Looking forward to another great year at Livermore High School.